Did you know that half of American adults are living with high blood pressure? For the past 60 years, the only FDA-cleared way to lower blood pressure was medication. Until now. Introducing Resperate, the first ever non-drug FDA-cleared medical device clinically proven to naturally lower your blood pressure, with over 250,000 Americans already enjoying the benefits. It's the method rated #1 after diet and exercise, according to the American Heart Association. It's the first device of its kind to be cleared by the FDA and available without a prescription. So how does Resperate lower blood pressure? Respirate's device-guided breathing technology relaxes constricted blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely, resulting in a reduction of blood pressure. All this from the comfort of your own home with minimal effort, no drugs, and no side effects. Just great results in as little as 15 minutes a day, 3 to 4 times a week. So how does it work? Resperate features 3 main components: a computerized main unit, a breathing sensor, and earbuds. The sensor, placed on the upper abdomen, analyzes your breathing pattern. Then the device's onboard computer creates a personalized program consisting of 2 tones.
Breathe in, breathe out. In, out.
As you sit back and listen, your breathing naturally synchronizes with the tones. Resperate gradually prolongs the exhalation tone, guiding you to slow breathing without conscious effort. Within a few minutes, you will reach the therapeutic zone of 5 to 7 breaths a minute. Soon, during each prolonged exhalation, the muscles surrounding the small blood vessels relax. Blood flows more freely, and blood pressure is reduced. Resperate adapts to you. Resperate constantly monitors your breathing and knows if you were not in sync. When needed, it automatically accelerates the guiding tones and begins the slowing process again. While breathing returns to normal after each session, the beneficial impact on blood pressure accumulates. Within a few weeks, you'll experience an all-day lasting blood pressure reduction. A closer look. Elevated sympathetic nervous activity is one of the major contributors to high blood pressure. In response to the stresses of daily life, our nervous system repeatedly constricts our 60,000 miles of small blood vessels. Over time, they become dangerously narrowed and rigid, so to ensure sufficient blood flow, the heart must raise blood pressure. Now, the critical point here is prolonged exhalation without conscious effort. It's during the prolonged exhalation that elevated sympathetic activity is reduced and blood vessels relax. Now, breathing this way on your own is virtually impossible unless you're a trained yogic monk. And even monks use effort and focus to prolong exhalation, which is actually counterproductive as it elevates sympathetic activity. Respirate's patented algorithms solve this issue. It utilizes our body's natural ability to follow external rhythms. No training, effort, or focus is needed. Just follow the guiding tones composed in real time from your own breathing. Okay, so the important question, where's the proof? Resperate has been the subject of 16 clinical trials. It's the only FDA-cleared device for lowering blood pressure and is rated the #1 method after diet and exercise by the American Heart Association. Plus, it's recommended and used by doctors and physicians across the country. And it's FSA and HSA eligible. Resperate is all natural and safe to use alone or alongside your current treatment regimen. And the only reported side effect is better sleep. All our studies are readily available on the clinical proof section of our website for you to view. The journey to optimal health begins the moment you order your unit. Resperate works with you step by step, encouraging and supporting you on your daily path to living well. Resperate is delivered to your door with everything you need to get started. If you have further questions, please don't hesitate to call. Our product specialists are on hand to answer your call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Join the 250,000 Americans already using Resperate and begin lowering your blood pressure naturally today.